In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify footer using the Dawn theme. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to customize their online store and give it a personal touch. I'll guide you through each step meticulously so you can follow along effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. You'll see the option to log in, click on it. This is where you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the login page, type in your email and then continue by selecting the Continue with Email option. Follow this by entering your password. Upon entering your credentials, click on Login to gain access to your store's admin panel. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the My Store section on Shopify's homepage. From here, look for the Online Store button and click on it. This area is where you can manage all aspects of your store's online presence. Once you've landed on the online store page, the next place to head over to is Themes. Click on Themes to proceed. In the Themes section, you'll notice a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on Customize. This will take you to the theme editor where all your design magic happens. Here you'll be able to see all the sections available for customization. Find and click on the Footer section. This is where we'll make all the necessary changes to meet your preferences. Within the Footer section, you'll have several options to adjust. You can start by changing the scheme. Adjusting the scheme will let you choose different layouts and styles for your footer, aligning with your brand's aesthetics. Once you have selected the scheme you want, the next step is to click on Edit. This part is crucial as it allows you to make detailed changes to your footer settings. Continuing with customization, you'll find an option to allow customers to follow your store. Choosing this feature can enhance customer engagement by letting them stay updated with new releases and promotions. To make your store even more inviting, you'll also want to explore and decide on social media icons. Adding social media links can enrich your store's outreach by connecting customers to your social platforms directly from the footer. Once you've made all these adjustments and are satisfied with your newly customized footer, it's important to save your work. Find the Save button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Saving ensures that all the changes you worked on are applied to your store. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Shopify store's footer using the Dawn theme. You're now all set to present a more personalized and engaging online storefront to your visitors.